two very different last questions. The first one is not a very good question to ask a monk. But my work in Aberdeen is not just with students. We have lots of families. And there's my family, but there's lots of other families. And if it would be helpful to know, maybe out of the whole month, if I only had time, or I could only convince people to take part in, say, 2 rituals a month, which 2 are the most important?
他们最好是修这种机制，就是先可能是从机制开始，然后还有呢，我们这个禅修当中很有必要，可能有一些佛教稍微基础的人呢，就比如说念一些咒语，就前面观想一个什么这个观音菩萨啊，或者是释迦牟尼佛啊，然后就下面就开始念他的咒语，就然后就有时候睁开眼睛看看，然后有时候就这样这个就打坐，就是这种方式的话呢，我觉得可能刚开始或者说是经常这样传习，心会得到这个平静，很重要。
Now this one, I actually spent a long time practicing Zen, so that's I can actually teach basic Zen meditation very easily as well. So that it takes a little bit of work, but getting them just to sit properly and focus is not too difficult. The other question is, Aberdeen is a strange place. I hope he will come and find out about it for himself. But we're very far north, and that means in the summer our days are very long, and it's possible to do sky meditation at 4 in the morning. But right now the days are getting shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter, and I've realized, whether I like it or not, I have to do darkness meditation. I have no background in darkness meditation, so could he give me a couple of very simple pointing out instructions on how to meditate in darkness meditation?
我觉得，因为像我们观那个一些大圆满的特殊的一些，比如说看虚空啊，就这些的话，需要可能白天的这个时间。那我们平时其他的，包括密法的修法啊、宪宗的修法啊，就这些都是不一定是用这个白天的，所以晚上也好，平时在生活当中呢，就观修就很好的。那在这种情况下，我自己是这样的，就觉得我们作为修行人呢，随时都是要拿着这种念咒语啊，就用正念，就是来去经常观修。第二个的话呢，就是可能有一种祈祷，就是也是用一种就平常就是对自己的本尊啊，对上司啊，就是做一个祈祷。第三种呢，就是就这样，就是有时间有机缘的时候，就是开始打坐。那这个打坐的这种环境这些的话呢，我觉得跟白天晚上应该没有什么差别，就是可能是跟时间就是有关系，只要有时间，然后这种修行到一定的这种稍微有一些成熟的时候呢，可能行住坐卧都可以的。所以作为一个可能修行比较成熟的人来讲，这个白天啊、晚上啊，就是这些都是并不是特别的重要，就是不管是东方也好、西方也好，或者说白天也好、晚上也好，或者尤其是在人群当中也好，独自一人也好，到一定的时候，他是就很随意的，就不分这个环境，就是这是修行当中也是最重要的。就密法里面是有背黑观的一些修法，就是这个的是，比如说我们这个尼玛当中的一些白羽派当中呢，也有一些这的修法，但是这个是特殊的一种这个观修方法，也现在不是特别就实行。
you can practice either among people or by yourself.
He's playing with Manjushri's sword again. Oh dear. I'm very careful to repair my vows every day. But I promise Kempo that whether I see him next in Aberdeen or in Narumgar, I will repair my Tibetan.
我也不止我的英语。
Oh dear. No, it would be wonderful to see Narumgar. I don't know if I'll be able to find a way of doing it, but it sounds like a real Pure Land.
Wonderful.
Aberdeen, we're still trying to make it into a Pure Land.
对，山本
Shinto-yapo.
山本 저런 100시간도 간다고 보바칸 100개 디스시로 여러분 100개 디스시로
Nyongnyun-sam. Bechake-sam. I used to. When I was working on my PhD, I had to read a lot of Tibetan and worked on, read some Mipam, read some Longchenpa with Kamapunso and Khenpo Tsewan Sonam. But since then, the kinds of subjects I'm responsible for in Aberdeen don't give me the time to work on Sanskrit and Tibetan and Nevari, so I had to choose, and Tibetan lost. I think I had promised myself I would start working on Tibetan again this year, and of course now I have to learn Mandarin.